Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick tips on how you can create a Gantt chart in Google Sheets without effort. So first, what you need to do is open the spreadsheets in Google in your browser. So just go to docs.google.com/spreadsheet, and then here you can start by going to the template gallery and find the Gantt chart. So actually it's here because I have used it once, but I'm going to show you how you can search for one. So here you can just scroll down until you find the project management, and then here you can see there's a Gantt chart template. So you can just click on this template to make a Gantt chart without effort. So just like that, your Gantt chart will be created automatically, and you can just make some adjustment like the project title, project manager, company name, and others data. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.